Hello everyone.
What you see here is a black-headed ibis. They are also called Oriental white ibis and Indian white ibis. They are found in South and Southeast Asia, India, and as far as Japan. They have an overall white plumage, with black heads, necks and legs. Juvenile birds have grayish feathering on their necks. Their diet includes frogs, tadpoles, snails, insects, and worms. They also feed on fish. They live for around 25 years. They are decreasing in numbers and are classified as nearing threatened. They are silent birds and make only croaks and grunts, occasionally. This is because they have not developed the voice-producing muscles in their voice boxes. If you liked this video, please subscribe.